Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube channel category from your mobile phone. Open mobile phone and Chrome browser and here select desktop site. Here open YT Studio on Chrome browser and after that here select desktop site. After that here you can see little top right corner, you can see top right down corner, here you can say setting button. Click on this. After that here you can see so many options. Here click on upload. Here click on upload defaults. After that here you can see option advanced settings. Click on this. After that here you can see so many options. Here you can see categories. Here click on category. Here you can see select your any category you are creating on. You can select and change your category according to your videos. If you are creating entertainment videos, you can select entertainment. I am creating my educational videos. In this way you can easily create your channel category. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.